I'm very excited about the Cyber Strategy Retreat. It's the best opportunity to bring talented individuals across technology and security sectors to talk about all of the important reasons why data and AI are going to change and completely redefine the cybersecurity landscape in 2024. I would teach the practitioners on the business side and the security side to come together earlier and have more enriching conversations about the applications that are being built, the use cases that are being addressed, the budget, and realistic ways to collaborate both within and across the industry so that everyone has a better opportunity to get the protections that they need to have in place funded. I think one of the unnecessary restrictions that a lot of security professionals face tend to be budget, and that's partly because on the investment side, it's completely, for the most part, arbitrary. I think regulatory compliance needs are going to start to emphasize for leaders across public and private industry the importance of security, especially with the SEC's new disclosures, how much of a standard it needs to be, and that will, at least I hope, that will actually encourage more collaboration between business and technology, and also more funding, because it's going to become a standard practice that all companies must engage with.